In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Shopify theme 5 minutes. Before we begin, make sure you have your theme saved as a single zip file on your computer. Do not extract it. Shopify needs the compressed zip to import everything correctly. It's also helpful to keep the file name clear so you can recognize it later. Start by going to the Shopify website and signing into your store's admin. Once you're in the dashboard, look for the left-hand menu, find Online Store and open it. This is where all your themes live and where you'll manage anything related to your storefront's design. Inside the online store area, go to the theme section. Here you'll see your current theme and your theme library. To bring in a theme you already have, choose the option to import a theme. This tells Shopify you want to upload a theme file from your computer rather than grabbing one from the theme store. Next, choose to upload a zip file. You'll see a prompt to add a file. Click Add File, then navigate to the theme zip on your computer. Select the file and confirm your choice. If you're unsure which file is correct, look for the one your theme provider gave you or the one you exported and saved earlier. Again, it should end with .zip. After selecting it, click Upload File to start the import. Keep the browser tab open while Shopify processes the upload. Larger files can take a little longer. When the upload finishes, the theme will appear in your theme library as an unpublished theme. This means it's safely in your account, separate from your live site, so you can work on it without affecting customers. If you see an error, double check that the file is a valid Shopify theme zip and that it isn't corrupted. If the file was downloaded from a marketplace or sent by a developer, try downloading it again. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that you're logged into the correct store. Once the upload completes, you'll see the new theme listed with options to preview and prepare it for your storefront when you're ready. At this point, you've successfully imported your theme. From here, you can take your time customizing it, and when everything looks right, you can make it live whenever it suits your workflow. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to go to Shopify, open online store, import your theme, upload the zip, add the file, select it and complete the upload. Thanks for watching and happy building.